everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm back again with Mzansi Sophie's stories, and today's language generation, the legacy. Guys, kudala nje sayibona indaba kaFikile noKabisi ukuthi ibheke emjulweni. Well, this is what is going to happen. While lying in the hospital, Fikile is at Kabisi's side and being very supportive while he is on the mend. And since Kabisi got a fright by getting ill so quickly, he doesn't want to waste any more time, so he makes a startling confession to Fikile. He tells Fikile ukuthi uyamthanda, and this revelation leaves Fikile both floored and confused. Getting into a relationship with your ex's uncle is pretty extreme, and Mazwi thinks so too. He is shocked by what he sees when he eventually decides to visit his uncle esibhedlela. He walks in on Fikile and Kabisi looking very cozy. It's probably the very last thing that the young businessman had expected. This was his fiancée, and she now getting too close for comfort with his uncle, who meant to be there to support Mazwi during his time of need. And soon things get heated when Mazwi and Fikile have it out about her entanglement. Guys, Mazwi confront Fikile about a new relationship with Kabisi. He demands to know what the hell is going on between the two of them. Fikile doesn't owe Mazwi any explanation, any answers, guys. She wants Mazwi not to say or do anything that could upset Kabisi because the old man is still in hospital and unwell. Mazwi still can't believe what is going on, especially since he can see ukuthi umalume wakhe userious kakhulu ngoFikile. It seems that the woman he was about to spend the rest of his life with might just spend the rest of her life with his great uncle, taking her from his ex to his aunt. So guys, what I'm asking myself, ukuthi uFikile uyamthanda ngampela yini uKabisi, or she's doing that ukuthi aphume esibhedlela abe ngcono, or she's doing all that ukuthi aspite uMazwi ngokumshiya kwakhe athandane noTrace. Guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below on the comment section bese uyasixoxela ukuthi wena ucabanga ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzekalani la kule relationship kaFikile noKabisi. Bye.